Vekkia Sonic Rechargeable Kids Electric Toothbrush, 3 modes with memory, fun easy cleaning, 31,000 strokes, IPX7 waterproof, 2-minute timer for age 3+, 4. Excited and fun brushing teeth. Cute animal theme design, let your children fall in love with brush their teeth. Unique small brush head with 3D curved soft bristles, comfortable and efficient, perfect for children's gums and small mouth. For multiple age kids, this power toothbrush has 3 modes: clean 7 to 12, soft 3 to 6, massage 12+. With memory function, 1 on/off mode button, it does not need to be held down. Comfortable handle size designed for little hands, lightweight only 2.45 ounces, easy grip. Efficient and safe brushing. Speed, up to 31,000 brush movement per minute. Remove up to 7x more plaque than manual toothbrush. Better child's yearly checkups guarantee. IPX7 waterproof, can be rinsed in water. Ultra long-lasting battery life. This rechargeable kids electric toothbrush only 3 to 4 hours of charging. The battery lasts up to 60 days. Reduce the hassle of replacing batteries or charging frequently. Easy to use at home and travel. Keep brushing your teeth every day. Automatic timer. This electronic toothbrush has a built-in 2-minute plus 5s timer to encourage your child to brush long enough and thoroughly clean the teeth. Never guess the time again. Develop good brushing habits and less cavities. Ships from the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Rechargeable battery lasts a long time. Second time buying this product. I think the first one lasted 3 to 5 years. But my kiddo probably dropped it 100+ times before it broke. I recommend this.